guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today our nice little cheap budget meal is chicken burgers. So they're kind of, we're changing the recipe from what we saw on the internet. The ones that we saw on the internet are like a spicy chili. Jen doesn't really do heat, so what we're going to do is we're going to substitute that for barbecue sauce. So the basic ingredients is chicken breast, onion powder, garlic salt, pepper, paprika, cornflakes, I know it sounds weird, and barbecue sauce, and it's just going to go in the air fryer. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to cut to Jen preparing it, and then we'll tell you how it tastes. Okay, so here we are with Jen preparing. So on the plate we've got garlic salt, onion powder, paprika and pepper. That just kind of just needs to be mixed up in a bowl. Okay, so just mixing it up. This is just to give you like a dry rub to the chicken. Okay, right, so we've put the chicken in the dry rub, so now Jen's just going to give it a bit of a mix up. It doesn't have to be fully coated because there's a lot of flavour in there, to be honest. Okay, and once it's kind of coated, we're going to cover it in barbecue sauce. No, so we've substituted chili sauce, barbecue sauce with chili on this. And then just a dab either side of cornflakes. This just feels so alien to me. And then straight into the air fryer. We should be okay to get all four in. So again, same with every one. And just repeat until all the chicken's done. These ones are massive.
They're huge, aren't they?
As Michael Scott would say, that's what she said. Okay, that next one's only little, so we're good. The only problem with this is the amount of bowls and plates that you need. I'm glad we've got a dishwasher. Okay. Cool, okay, it's a little bit tight fit, but I think we're okay. Right, so now that's all coated. We're going to give it a quick spray with spray oil. Okay, right, so now over to the air fryer. And then we'll set it up. So now we're in the air fryer. It's 190 for 18 minutes. And then we'll see how we go in a minute. Hopefully these are nice. Okay, right, so we've just had it beep and turn off. Let's have a quick look, Jen, see what it's like. Okay, so maybe a couple of minutes too long, but it smells lovely. So yeah, let's get them made into burgers. So we've got our cheese and burger buns ready. Jen likes butter on her burger bun, I don't know why, it's weird.
See, I think you're weird for not liking butter, but maybe we'll let the public vote. Eh?
Harsh. Butter or not butter on your burgers? Comment below.
Do you want me to assemble one?
Yeah, just assemble one for the moment. Actually, no, you're probably better off doing both because I don't want butter in my burger because I'm not weird. They smell good.
They do smell really good.
So 2 bits of chicken in each one.
Sorry, I just need to move that out of my way.
That's alright.
Not right again, Ben.
That's why you're not allowed in the kitchen.
Is that enough for you?
Yeah, perfect. So what we do is now we'll set the tripod up and then we'll both have a bit of a try. Okay, right, so there we are, burgers are made. They smell lovely. They are probably a little bit overdone. So how long did we do it for? Was it 16 minutes?
18, I think
18.
it was, wasn't it?
Okay, so I'd probably say a couple of minutes less. The whole flat smells of barbecue sauce now, which isn't a bad thing. So now we're going to have a bit of a try. It does look messy though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks well messy.
Okay, right. I still don't. I worry about this cornflake thing, man. Alright, so I'll try. Just crunching away on YouTube. It's really nice. It's messy though.
You don't know that it's cornflakes. Sorry.
That's right. No, you don't know it's cornflakes. Chicken's really moist though. But I think, yeah, need a couple of minutes less. I can just, every now and then I get a little burnt bit of cornflake. But what I'll do is I'll post the cost of these underneath. It's not the cheapest of things, because obviously it's chicken breast, but for 20 minutes, and you've got the mess of making them. So there's a lot of plates, there's a bit involved. Obviously we had to lay it out in a particular way because we're filming. I wouldn't have done it that way if I wasn't. But apart from that, yeah, really easy, really nice. A couple of burger rolls, some chicken breasts, some spices, some sauce, some cornflakes. That's all you need, really. So yeah, so if you do like what we're doing, please subscribe, and also don't forget to comment down below butter or not butter in your burger rolls. I'm not butter, Jen is butter. Yeah, explains a lot. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We've got another video coming soon.